welcome to beautiful Costa Rica.
We're here at beautiful Villa Solar in Santa Teresa.
And we're surrounded by nature everywhere. We got monkeys, we got dogs, cats, everything.
And we're totally excited because this is a video that we've been meaning to make for a while. It's about our favorite juice.
Now before we get into the juice recipe, we wanted to let you guys know that this particular recipe is available on our juice and smoothie ebook that we are giving away for free if you sign up for a newsletter on our website.
And our website is www.bohobeautiful.life, where as well in our store you can find this juice in our brand new 7-day program.
So you might be watching this and fall has already came and passed, then this program is out.
And if it's not, it's probably on the store right now, available for pre-order instead.
So let's get to the juice.
So this juice is called the Yoga Hangover.
And the reason why we wanted to call it a yoga hangover is because it's super anti-inflammatory. So if you're ever feeling like your muscles are really sore, or if you just had like a couple days of really intense yoga practices,
or the gym, or any kind of physical activity,
it's perfect to drink afterward. You used to always drink it a lot during your 7-day juice cleanse.
And I wanted to start today with an intense green juice. Oh, look who it is.
Water and plants.
It's amazing. I mean, it tastes really good, and it's the turmeric and the black pepper which work together to just really give your body what it's needed when your muscles are just dying.
So let's get into the juicing. There's like 2 budgies on a mango tree right now going crazy.
They're wanting some juice.
And we're not gonna give them any.
So we're gonna start today with the pineapple. So you want to use about 1.5 cups of pineapple, and that's really going to give you your base and sweetness of the juice.
Then second, you want to go to the spinach. Now trust us, this is spinach, but it looks a little different here in Costa Rica. Yeah. I prefer the spinach here than anything we've ever got in Canada.
It feels very natural and fresh.
And once that goes in, it mixes really well with the pineapple as the second ingredient. So then we move on to the apple.
We're going to be using a green apple because there's less sugar in this apple than others.
So it's really nice that we're putting a pretty dense fruit in with the pineapple, but not raising the sugar level too high.
Then we go into our lemons. Now again, just like the spinach, the Costa Rican lemons always look like they're bad or they're weird and deformed.
And warty and like a troll.
So dizzy.
We have a tree by our house that grows lemons, and sometimes they look like this. And when you open and slice them, they're actually orange, which we were so confused at first. We thought people were scamming us. We're like, this is not lemons, it's oranges. But really, it's the Costa Rican lemons. So we're gonna use that as well.
And we use the rinds actually because there's tons of extra components in the rinds when you juice it that helps on the vitamin side. Actually, I read an article that says it helps to fight and prevent cancer.
Then we're going to move on to our cucumber. Now the cucumber is going to provide that liquid base that you need.
Right now with so much pineapple and apple, it's kind of chunky and really thick. So when we put a vegetable in that's so much water, once you stir it all around, it actually brings it back a little more to the juice side and less towards the pulpy kind of smoothie-ish.
Thick side. Then we move over to the spiciness and the anti-inflammatory kick of this juice. Ginger.
What do you think about ginger?
I don't like ginger, to be honest, but I just drink it as medicine more than something that I enjoy.
It's a fantastic medicine, just like our next ingredient, turmeric. So we're putting the turmeric in, and then we're going to top the juice off with black pepper, because actually the black pepper activates the turmeric to a much higher level. So anytime you're going to have turmeric, make sure you try and put black pepper in with it.
And that's it, you guys. This is the Yoga Hangover juice. You can even drop a couple ice cubes if you want it a little bit colder. I think that's what maybe I want to do.
Just brings it to life, for sure.
Now if you guys want to make this juice at home, all the ingredients and the measurements are in the description of this video, so just click the See More button below the video and you can make this at home today. See you soon. Bye.